how to turn off comments on SoundCloud. Hello everyone, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can turn off comments on SoundCloud. Now to do this is very simple. The first step is to log in into your SoundCloud account just like I have done here. And once you're in your SoundCloud account, move to the top right side of the screen. You'll see options like upgrade now for artists, upload, profile picture, notifications, inbox. Click on your profile. In the drop down menu displayed, select tracks. By selecting tracks, you'll be taken to your tracks page where all of your music would be displayed. Then select the track whose comments you would like to turn off. Move to the right side of the screen and click on the More option button of the three vertical dots icon. By doing that, a drop-down menu will be displayed. In this menu, you will see options like edit, add to playlist, monetize, master, distribute, download profile, download file, copy, etc. So click on edit. At the right side of the screen, another image, another box rather will be displayed. This box you will see track details and advanced settings. Select advanced settings. Then advanced details, permissions, audio clips, licensing. Select permissions. And then under this, scroll down until you can see allow people to comment on your track. Currently, it is switched or on, right? But to turn it off, I need to subscribe to the pro version of SoundCloud. So this means that as a free user, your account would automatically allow people to comment. But once you are a pro user, you can set it to public or to private. So in order to allow people not to comment, or to turn off comments for your track, ensure you subscribe to the pro version. Follow these procedures, turn off the toggle, and then just like that, your track would not allow comments anymore. That is, comments will be turned off on your track. And that is just how to go about it. So, thank you very much, everyone, and have a wonderful day.